Patrick at Pals, and this is typical of Pals. We got one Jeep in the bay and we've got a Toyota waiting behind it. Now why is that? Well, this Toyota needs an alternator. The alternator has failed on it. And so we're going to change the alternator, and this is something we can do in what we call a flat bay. And the flat bay is right behind the Jeep. You know, we're really fortunate in Ocala, Florida, that we don't have snow on the ground, and we can work on cars inside and out and get customers done in a timely fashion. So the way this works is, this car, the Jeep, came in and was diagnosed with a cooling problem. It's in process. While Lester was waiting for the parts for the Jeep, he pulled up the Toyota and diagnosed the problem with that. Now the parts are back for the Jeep, and Lester is putting it together underneath the hood. And while he's doing that, Chuck has ordered the parts for the Toyota. So we stage cars. Okay, this way the customer gets done in a timely fashion, and we keep the flow going at Pals. If you've got a Toyota that needs an alternator, or a Jeep that needs the cooling system outlet with the thermostat, bring it to Pals. See you soon.